Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Music Development. Today we're going to try some power chords. These are different to the chords that we did before because, whereas they were made up of the first, third, and fifth notes of a scale, power chords are just the first and the fifth, no third. They've got a very recognisable sound on the guitar. Powerful indeed. A simple way to form them is by taking any of these bottom three open strings and adding the second fret on the string underneath it. So, from the sixth string, like this, for an E power chord, fifth string, like this, for an A power chord, and from the fourth string, like this, for a D power chord. Take a look at this sequence here that uses those power chords. We're going to go A 4 times, D 4 times, E 6 times, and D twice. You might want to hear me play it first before going back and trying it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to still be careful with your picking hand. Try not to hit any strings other than what's needed for each chord. Now we'll add a power chord that needs 2 fingers. We want the first finger on the 3rd fret on the 6th string, and then the 3rd or 4th finger on the 5th fret on the 5th string. Either the 3rd or 4th finger is fine for now, it's up to you. This is a G power chord. Now let's add that to our sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're happy with that, let's do something different with our picking hand. We're going to change the rhythm to quavers instead of crotchets. Quavers are half a beat, so we'll play 2 even notes for every click. So if crotchets are 1, 2, 3, 4, quavers are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's do that sequence again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're ready to get started with power chords. See if you recognise a few of these famous guitar riffs that use them. That's all for now. See you in the next video.